come across a little bit of a snag here. Gonna have to clear the track a bit. It hasn't been used in a while, this track, and obviously they were bulldozing it out, but then the fires caught that bulldozer and it doesn't look like they've been back, so we'll just do this little bit of clearing. Hopefully we can keep going. This chainsaw's come in really handy for our four-wheel driving and camping, getting firewood and stuff for the camp.
Now there's some flax.
We've come to a full stop here. I don't think anyone's been down this for a little bit. It's supposed to be the way back. Lucky we had a chainsaw in the car. Oh. Hopefully we can get through it and get out of here. Wow, what a track. Like, we've got to get out of here with this rain, and like all the rivers and streams are coming up. So not only are we coming across these kind of things now to get back to our camp, running out of daylight. Oh God. Okay, gotta go help clear up this track. I can see more water and stuff over the road up ahead, and streams and stuff.